Kung kanina, opo, ay napakinggan natin ang kwento ng Idol Pitch, this time around, kaya siya napapaindak din siya at yung kanyang ulo ay napapa-up and down din ng ganyan, di ba? Nakikijive din siya, nakikijam din siya because isa po siyang P-pop artist and of course, actor and singer. Alam mo nyo, nakakatuwa dahil na-nominate lang naman siya sa FAMAS bilang Best Actor para sa kanyang short film. Totoo, di ba? Yan, pag-usapan natin agad-agad. Hello, welcome natin si Eric Ejercito. Hello!
Hello mga ka-vibes, good afternoon. Thank you for having me.
Yes, hi! I saw you kanina na napapa-jam ka sa kanta ng Idol Pitch.
Idol.
Kasi ikaw pala isa ring singer and
Yes. I'm in the-
P-pop ka, independent P-pop, yes.
Yes.
Oo, totoo. Talaga, pero syempre may first question bago talaga tayo magtuloy-tuloy na chikahan. Your apelido is very familiar with us, di ba? Ejercito. Really? Yeah, because Ejercito. How are you related to the Ejercitos?
Yes, George Estragan is my father.
From Laguna.
Yes.
Parang feeling ko na-meet ko na yung isa sa mga brother mo.
Yeah, my younger brother most probably.
Yes.
He's into showbiz.
Oo, na-interview ko na siya sa DZMM program.
Jericho?
Yes,
Yeah.
Jericho. Oo, 'di ba nag-ano pa siya, Century 2 na Superbods?
Yes.
Oh, 'di ba? Sabi na nga eh.
My kuya.
Yes, totoo.
De, joke lang, ako yung kuya.
Talaga? Talaga?
Yes.
Pero mukha kang bata. Ayan.
Nako, favorite.
Wow!
Let's go!
Yes, favorite music radio. That's it. Ayan. Siyempre gusto ko ring malaman, how is it working with a Korean actor? Dahil dito sa pelikulang The Guardian, na pagbibidahan mo, you're with the Korean actor
Namuyun, yes,
Oo.
from Infinite, the K-pop group. They were
Wow.
basically searching for a lead role for the Philippine leg na magiging parang best friend niya. So sakto, K-pop siya, P-pop ako.
Ayun.
Actor siya, actor din ako.
Yes.
So it was really a tough audition na everyone had to undergo. All the big names were there, but yung mga Koreans were there to, host the audition and choose for the specific roles. And it was just down to that moment and parang nag-flash yung life ko before me na parang lahat ng workshops ko, pinaghirapan ko, boiled down to that moment. I just
As
gave my best
in.
and the rest is history.
Ginawa mo ang lahat sa audition. But I'm curious, and of course, our listeners are also...
Live, and I submitted a tape also.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Curious kami, pati yung mga nakikinig sa atin. Paano ang audition pag sa Korean agency? Kasi di ba dito sa Pilipinas, syempre, parang una niyan, papatawagan lahat ng mga possible for the roles.
Yes.
Yung kung eto, bagay siya dito kasi may ganito siyang personality, may ganito siyang look, ganyan. Sa Korean agency ba, ganun din na, o kahit sino pwedeng pumunta to do audition?
It's a Viva distributed project. So
Okay.
Everyone was from Viva and
Yes, and di ba familiar sila. Sabi nila, who yun? Oo, so from Elite, yes, okay. Sorry to
from
cut you.
Infinite, yeah.
Infinite, yes.
His K-pop group before. I mean, still now, pero active sila during the 21 Big Bang days, yung panahon na yun. Yeah. Going to your question, it's the same, it's just that yung playing field patas kasi yung Koreans hindi nila kami kilala.
Right, oo,
So,
totoo.
they don't know if you are this.
Kung famous ka
Yes,
dito sa
yes.
Pilipinas, marami kang followers,
Oo,
ganyan.
Pantay-pantay kami.
Yeah.
It was just so my proudest moment lang nung nalaman ko na natanggap ako dun
Agad?
sa audition.
Nalaman mo
No.
agad?
Siguro a few months. And I was out of the country.
Ayun.
Tapos nag-gym ako and then I got the call. The producer called me. And I was crying in the gym. I got the part.
Nung tinawag sa'yo,
Yeah.
agad-agad, di syempre, nasa ibang bansa ka that
Oo.
time, shoot agad kayo? Or meron namang time para for you to prepare?
That was
Syempre,
December. Tapos yung shoot right after New Year. January.
Mabilisan kumilos ang mga Koreans pagdating sa mga...
Pero medyo natagalan yung release kasi we shot this 2 years ago. Yeah, we shot this January 2024, 2024? Yeah.
Tapos nakita ko parang one of the photos that was sent to me is meron kang parang with Yasi Pressman. Is she part
Yes,
of?
yes. Me and Yasi and Wilbert Ross.
Yes, si Wilbert.
Yes. And
Oo.
ito yung bago sumabog din si Ashton. She's part of it too.
Talaga.
And
Andito na si
Hart
Ashton.
Ryan
Oo.
and Sarah Jo. Yeah.
Oh,
Yun yung lahat ng Filipinos.
Oh.
Sorry. Meron pang iba, like sina Mr. Joko Diaz and all that. Pero yung main is me, Yasi, and Wilbert.
Pero is it parang original ba itong The Guardian?
Yes, yes.
Oh, what about The Guardian? Anong meron? Anong kwento nito?
Actually, because I went to Korea last month for the Korean movie premiere of this. So, na-premiere doon, bago dito. Yung version nila is different from ours. I think we have a different edit for the Philippine release, I believe. And their title is different. I think their title is 24 Hours Ransom, something like that. Sa atin,
So,
The Guard.
action?
Sa atin, The Guard. Yes, action.
Action siya.
Yeah.
Kamusta ang working experience mo with the Koreans, ganyan? And syempre, maraming mga Filipino actors and actresses din. Pero syempre, meron kayong Korean na kasama.
Oo.
Mas lamang ang mga Korean ba o ang mga
Parang
Pinoy?
Well, yung babae sa Jewel in the Palace, si Park Eun-hye is there
Andun
also.
din.
Yes.
Oh, taray.
And yung kahit yung kontrabida na Korean, sobrang wow. When I saw them in action, in hindsight, I learned so much from them. And syempre sa Philippine side, I mean, I'm with Yasi Pressman also. So, it was such a overwhelming experience and I'm really learning in hindsight from them firsthand.
Marami
So,
kayong kimchi sa set? Hindi, charing.
madami kaming translator.
Maraming translator.
Kasi
Oo.
medyo nalalost in translation. Basta pag gumano na yung director.
Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Good na yun. So, bakit di sabi nabanggit natin kayo na your P-pop and then his K-pop, ganyan. Naging factor yung pagiging singer mo din?
No, I think naging factor yung chemistry namin na parang
Because of the training
Spider-Man
and the...
his best friend. Parang ganun.
Okay, yes.
They were looking for like a Ned Leeds type of guy. So, originally parang ang ginagawa ko sa usually is action. Si Wilbert, ginagawa niya is usually comedy.
The comedy side,
So, we
yes.
switched here. So, siya yung action. Ako
Ikaw
yung,
ang comedy.
so, medyo challenge for us both.
Mahirap ang comedy kasi
Hindi siya
di ba
madali.
dapat may timing ka pagdating sa pagbibitaw ng kung ano mang linya or
yung punchline, yung
and even yung action kasi di ba
Yes.
minsan ayaw mo naman maging slapstick
Yung
na
mga nuances.
oo.
And ako, I just tried to be as natural as possible and the director gave us so much freedom in terms of like improv. So, we'll do by the script. Tapos pagkatapos nun, hinahayaan kami mag-explore ng iba-ibang takes. So, very interesting. Kakaiba siya.
Pero yung pinaka-challenge for you, feeling ko yung yung sa paano kayo nagkakaintindihan ng mga Koreano.
Pag sa chat, nagkakaintindihan kami.
Nang madali.
Kasi yung click mo lang translate. Pero pag kailangan namin ng translator.
Oo.
Pero sobrang bait nila, walang masabi.
Totoo.
Very professional, very, na yung stuntman ko, stuntman rin ni Cha Eun-woo, Jungkook. As in, talagang
Hala.
they worked with the best people. So,
Ex ko yan si Cha Eun-woo eh. Charing.
so very, very exciting. Yeah. And I can't
Talaga?
wait. September 2.
Eto na, kasi ngayon August 26 na ngayon, ilang tulog na lang, meron ng theatrical release dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes, 31 yung premiere, I believe, and then September 2 yung
Yung pwede na siyang
Nationwide.
panoorin nationwide. I've mentioned kanina na nominate ka before as a
yes.
best actor for FAMAS sa short film. Oo.
Category,
Tama,
yes.
short film category. What's the short film? What's the title?
That was a project with what me and my friends did. And then, hindi namin sinasadyang ipasa yon for competition. Kaya nakakatuwa na nominate siya Best Cinematographer and Best Actor.
Wow. Kasi you're also
this
directing.
Time, yes. I have a production called Episode 1 Studios with my friends and my partners. This time, I'm joining again. So this time, gumawa kami ng bagong project. It's called Tatlong Katok. And talagang naghanda kami to compete, a competing piece talaga. So with Miss Claudine Barreto. So I can't wait.
Is it the one with Miss Claudine and Mark Anthony?
No. This is for...
Different?
Yeah, different.
Oh, wow.
This is for the Fama short film again.
Antara. You wear many hats. Nakakatuwa kasi di ba P-pop, tapos singer, actor, director. You also owned your own production company, ganyan, di ba?
Yes. Course ko kasi nung college is filmmaking sa Lasal. So, if I'm not in front, I'm behind the camera, so I know how it works.
Pero siguro dahil kaya ka in front of the camera, you're doing acting because syempre nasa dugo ninyo, di ba, for sure?
It's because I want to create the things that I want to do then. And at this day and age with social media, you can really create your own channel and content.
Right,
Diba?
oo.
Expose yourself in the way you want to.
Totoo. Totoo din naman talaga. So ito na nakaka-excite, no? Pero gusto ko malaman pala, parang sa business side na rin as a owner, merong production house. Tapos syempre sa The Guardian bilang artista, kamusta yung ganun, di ba? Parang ginawa nyo na yung project 2 years ago na, tapos parang ngayon nyo lang siya i-release. Di ba parang merong beaten something, na parang, di ba sabi nila, strike while the iron is hot, dapat pak, labas na natin lahat. Pero yung ganitong klase ng process, what's your thoughts about it?
Well, here in The Guardian, I'm just an actor. I'm not in the production side. In terms of your question, I'm just happy na tuloy-tuloy yung release ko this year. I have I'm involved in 2 teleseries now. Yung I Love You Since 1892 and Project Loki, which is in
Sa Viva One, yes.
So after nun, tuloy-tuloy. Tapos ito, Guardian. So, tapos may new music ako. So, this year is my year.
Totoo. Actually, kapag katuloy-tuloy ang ginagawa mo, yung songs mo naman, pag isegue na natin yan, bukod sa The Guardian, kasi syempre, we're here for The Guardian. Pero sa pagiging P-pop and singer mo talaga, you have Fearless and...
Fool and then Find You. Hindi ko alam bakit F.
Oo
Lahat ng
nga,
title.
bakit? Oo.
Pero yung next song ko is my first Tagalog
Ano?
na rap. It's called HDLB and we're on pre-production right
What's
now.
HDLV?
Hanggang dito lang ba?
Talaga? Sobrang naman.
Hanggang dito lang ba sila Mankera?
Iba din yung mga ngayon, pinapaikli talaga ngayon, yung mga HHWW, holding hands while walking, mga paganyan. Oo,
Get ready with me.
Ganun na talaga. So, ready to release na ito or under the process pa?
Song is done and we're about to shoot after the premiere of The Guardian.
Bongga, di ba? So, Eric, I believe I will see you later for DZMM Alam Na This
Alright,
at
thank
9 p.m. So, invite our ka-vibes, our listeners, ang mga nakikinig sa taxi, sa UV van, yung mga nakatutok via their social media accounts all over the world because we have YouTube and Facebook Live to support you sa mga project at sa mga ganap mo. Take it away.
Hi guys, my name's Eric Ejercito. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo manood ng The Guardian, showing nationwide September 2.
Ayan.